What's up, y'all? Sam here, and today I'm going to talk to you about what makes a business show up in AI search, and if yours doesn't, what you can do to fix it. I'm going to walk through an example using a couple of AI search tools and show you exactly what I mean. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to start with Google Gemini, and we're going to search for something like an iced latte at a coffee shop. So, what's a good place to get an iced latte in Atlanta? And we'll see what comes up. Okay, so it gives quite a handful of coffee shops here. Okay, and it mentions a lot of them specifically. So let's try another tool like Perplexity, and we're going to prompt it with the same exact thing. What's a good place to get an iced latte in Atlanta? Okay, we'll do that. So it gives us some recommendations here. A little bit different than what Gemini gave us. So let's take one of the ones that Gemini suggested and let's go to their website. So East Pole Coffee Atlanta. Okay. And wonder what makes them show up in this Gemini search. So what we're going to do is go to when you're on a website, this is how you can check what's being crawled by the AI tools. You're going to right click anywhere, and this might be intimidating, but you're going to click view page source, and it's going to give you the code that sits on top of the website itself. Okay. And so what you can check for if you control F, command F, and search JSON LD, which is a JSON code, and the LD stands for linked data, you can see what websites have this or not. And this is crucial for being able to allow these AI search tools to be able to search for your website and what exactly your business does. So it does not look like this coffee shop has any sort of JSON LD code. Therefore, any coffee shop that does code their website correctly has a better chance of showing up here as a recommended answer. So there's a good example of right there of why this is important. Okay, so what I just showed you is important for a couple of different reasons. Any search results that come back in any of these AI search tools, it's gathering information based on the context it has on that specific business, place, or location on the internet. Okay, so that comes from Google business profiles, Yelp reviews, Reddit threads, anything that I can find that can give context to a linked meaning and linked business or place, it's going to highlight those things. The second part of why that's important is the coding of the website. These AI tools are looking for structured data that tells it exactly what this business is and what it actually does. So I was showing you the page source code, and implementing JSON LD code is a way to specifically tell these AI tools, this is a coffee shop, this is the location, this is the address, and this is how people can find us on the internet. This is our website. This is linked to this Instagram profile, this YouTube channel. And so somebody like me can help a small business or somebody developing their personal brand to be able to code your website so that you are easy for these AI search tools to find. Another thing that you can do today is try this out for yourself. If you run a custom men's suit shop in the city or town that you live in, try typing in questions such as, where can I find the best custom suit in XYZ town, and see what results come up. And go look at the websites and all of the different digital pages that exist on the internet for the answers that it gives, and understand and try the page source code that I showed you earlier in the video try to understand what makes those places, businesses, things show up as trusted answers in these AI search tools versus another. The thing that's different about these AI search tools is when people use them, they are engaging with them in a slightly different way than they were with Google search. We've been used to Googling for decades now. So the function of searching for something is inherently part of what we do in terms of finding information that we need. The difference with these AI search tools is people are asking more thoughtful, genuine questions that they want answers to. So, for example, I showed you the search I did in the AI tools. I'm looking for a great iced latte because I love them. What's the best place near me that I can find one? Instead of just coffee shop Atlanta in the Google search bar. So try it out for yourself. Try asking and prompting these AI search tools with questions that you believe your customers or people that you want to find you online will ask, and see where you rank. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Stay on the lookout, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be releasing some more content and hopefully, draw more clarity to what exactly this means for the future of AI and marketing and how you can show up. Until the next one, peace.